So one thing that I learned in men's fashion is if you want to become the best dressed man out here, you need to master the art of layering. So of course, my name is Brendan and welcome back to ElevationStyles YouTube channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. Tonight, we're going to be giving you a beginner guide on the art of layering. And as we progress along with the brand, I'm going to be giving you a master guide of how to layer yourself up properly. But let me change this outfit, guys, and give you something that's definitely worth talking about in terms of layering. So when it comes to layering for beginners, I just want you to start off with the basics. Don't get ahead of yourself. So go into your wardrobe, grab a plain t-shirt, and I want you to grab a plain shirt. So with your t-shirt, try going for casual jackets. This can be a varsity jacket, a bomber jacket, whatever your style is. And then for the shirt, you might go for a blazer, a sport coat, a suit jacket. This is layering at its basics. Layering is gonna help improve your basic outfits. So this is why, guys, I want you to go for a nice casual jacket with your casual outfits and then a nice formal jacket with your formal outfits. But later down in the video, we're gonna be talking about mixing formal with casual. Now this gets a little bit complicated. So as a beginner, when it comes to layering, just remember this simple rule of thumb. You want the lighter material on the inside and then the heavier materials on the outside, just like I have right now. This is gonna help me adjust to room temperatures. So for example, if I go into a room, I can take off this wool double-breasted coat, I still have my sport coat and I still have my shirt. And then if it gets even more hotter in the room, then I can take off the sport coat. Now you're really adjusting to the room temperature. It's gonna make you look sophisticated and people will be looking at you like, wow, this guy really knows how to layer, and this is showing class and style as well. Now gents, just remember that your basic outfit has to look well when you de-layer. Again, your basic outfit should look well when you de-layer. This is where accessorizing comes in handy. Which brings me into the third point. Make sure that you're accessorizing well with your layers. So for example, you might have pocket squares, you might have tie clips, rings, watches. Guys, this is gonna bring a little bit of touch of class towards your basic outfits. Because remember, when you're not layered up, your outfit is gonna be pretty basic. So we wanna create that illusion that this guy is obviously stylish with a basic outfit. And the only way you can do that is by layering. Try things like scarves, belts, these are also gonna do the job. This point now is probably the most important point of the video. Do not go cheap with your outer layer. Make sure that you're actually investing good quality money into your jackets and your outer layer. So for example, on the casual side of things, guys, get a good bomber, get a good varsity jacket. On the formal side of things, get a nice, good quality wool coat that you can wear with your formal outfits, your suits, etc. Even investing in good overcoats, these are gonna do the job as well. Now, the main reason why I'm saying this is, guys, it's gonna help you to transition from formal to casual or from casual to formal. This can be done easily when you have good outerwear. Now, for example, I can wear this double-breasted wool coat and then I can have a t-shirt underneath, nice smart trousers, and then I might go for a white leather sneaker. This is me now mixing formal with casual. This is the best way I've found to actually layer and get compliments, mixing formal with casual. So lastly, when it comes to layering, experimenting is key. So how can you experiment? Try different textures, try different colors. Find out what works for you. Make sure you're actually researching, guys. Research different textures. Okay, linen might go well with cotton. Wool maybe doesn't go well with linen, so on and so forth. Or maybe you could say the color red doesn't go well with orange. Maybe navy and white go well together. Guys, you need to research. If you want to become the best at something, you need to research. And of course, watch ElevationStyles. This is what made me fall in love with fashion, layering and experimenting. So thank you very much for watching this guide for beginners when it comes to layering. But if you want the advanced tutorial on learning, guys, you need to go to ElevationStyles.com, book yourself a consultation. I've helped plenty of guys master up their layering game because trust me, all the best dressed guys in the world have mastered the technique of layering. Make sure you hit the like button, go follow ElevationStyles on our social medias, link down in the description below. I will see you on the next one.